Welcome beautiful salespeople. In this video I'm going to show you the tool that I'm using all the time with my Chat GPT. So there is a scenario where your prompt is too long because, for example, you're copying some piece of a text, you're putting into Chat GPT, you're pressing hit, and the Chat GPT just gives you an error saying that, sorry, this prompt is too long, try to breaking it down. And then what do? You get to this prompt, you start copying like kind of the first half, and then you put it in, and then you go and copy the second half, and then the Chat GPT starts writing about and replying to the first half. All of these problems, like I've known there and I've been there. And I've been looking for the tool that would help me get the piece of text, chunk it up, put it into ChatGPT without any problems, so my life is easy. And I finally found one. Its name is called Contourata AI. This is the team. They have a YouTube channel about AI using ChatGPT. So feel free to subscribe to them because they're doing very, very cool stuff. The way it works is that you just get here in the context, it's the context that you're gonna be giving for the ChatGPT. Basically, by default, it's like for a podcast script, but you can change it for anything. This can be a website, this can be a text, a blog article, whatever you want. Just change the word podcast. Then token amount is the amount of characters of tokens that each chunk would have. Ideally, they recommend around 3K. With ChatGPT 4, you can use a bit more, like 6K, but try with it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And then here in the input text, you just insert a tone of text. And once this, you have this tone of text, you just put it here, and then you click submit. And then the way it's gonna work is that you're gonna have prompt 1 is going to be the main instructions for your ChatGPT. You just click copy prompt, you paste it into ChatGPT. Then the ChatGPT will tell you, yes, for sure, thank you, give me the first chunk. Then you copy prompt, you paste it into ChatGPT, ChatGPT would wait and it will tell you, okay, give me the second chunk. Once you upload all the chunks, you can just go there and tell ChatGPT, based on everything you just read above, or based on the prompts that I pasted above, do A, B, C. And that's it, my guys. Thank you very much for paying attention. Hoping that this tool was helpful for you. Subscribe to the Web3 Sales Gym, apply for the Telegram community, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.